Good morning. How's everybody doing? It's Marcos with South Bay Solar Cleaning. We're here in beautiful Chula Vista, California. Not sure if you could catch some nice views here in this beautiful community of Chula Vista. Nice neighborhood here. So we're here for these. We're gonna be cleaning these solar panels here. We got 4 here. Look at that, pretty dirty. You can see how dirty they are. So right now what we're doing is we're doing a visual inspection of the solar panels, making sure there's no damage. We don't have any damaged solar panels. There's no micro cracks, anything like that. Just doing a visual inspection first. Also gonna check underneath the solar panels to see if there's any birds nesting, any sort of critters down there, you know. So here's the other set of panels here. We have 11 here, 4 there, total of 15 solar panels. Let's take a look down here, down in the solar panels. Let's look underneath real quick. I don't know if you can see it through the camera. I can see pretty good here. Doesn't look to be, I don't seem to see any birds nesting. Look down here. Nothing down here as well. Everything looks pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and set up our system here to clean. You can see it down there. We got our RODI water purification system down there. So we're gonna go ahead and do this cleaning. We'll show you some videos. I think we're gonna do a time-lapse video on this one. So just stay tuned, and you'll see some before and after pics, and you get to see us do some solar panel clean. All right, see you in a bit.